Chris and I met in law school. I was a single mom at the time. We were married our final year of law school. After we were married, Chris decided to adopt my oldest daughter, and we had gone through a custody case at that point together. So it seemed natural to us to open up a family law firm to help other people who are going through a custody case and let them know that there's hope and that we can get them to that brighter future.
I had split undocumented custody with the mother of my children. I have 2 kids. We had an issue between the 2 of us, and she had taken them, and because I had no paperwork filed or nothing saying that I had custody, then I was kind of just sitting out in the wind. So I knew that I needed to hire an attorney when I was unable to get my kids, pick them up from school. And I knew that I needed to establish myself as their dad in the court's eyes. I had the utmost confidence in Chris after talking to him for the first time. And just being able to talk to him as a dad, because he understands what it's like to go through this process, not just as a lawyer, but like I said, as a father. We're able to come up to an agreement to where I had primary custody of the kids, so we're able to have the kids with us most of the time. It's the little things, when they just come home and the kids run off the bus up the driveway to give you a hug. And they had just seen you earlier in the day, but when they run up there to say, hey, it's the greatest feeling in the world because you're doing something right. The reason I would recommend Hobson & Hobson is because they continuously fight for you. If you're looking for an attorney, if you're looking for a lawyer, then you need to look no further. Hobson & Hobson is your choice.
When I see a client who's going through something similar, like I have, in a custody case or ending a relationship, I want them to know that there's hope and that we have tenacious advocates who are going to get them through the process and get them to that brighter future.
There was a restraining order put in place against me, so there was a TPO, temporary protective order. It was a tough time. It was really hard for myself, my other daughter, their older sister, and my family. Had I not sought legal counsel, I would have been like giving up. I mean, at this point, I see my kids, we share about half. That's great right there. That's more than I was hoping for. My favorite thing about the Hobson firm is how personal I was treated. It felt like a friend. I could tell they were really fighting for me. I knew they were fighting for me.
At Hobson & Hobson, we want our clients to know that it's going to be okay. We're going to get them through this no matter what. We're going to see this case through. We're going to get them to that peaceful place where their children are coming home, to a happy environment, to a peaceful environment, to a healthy home where they're wanted and loved. The consequences of hiring the wrong attorney are too great. You can't afford not to hire a legal team that is going to be a tenacious advocate for your parental rights.